Most people in this category spend weeks researching and still end up with regret. Not because they made the wrong choice, because nobody told them what actually matters. This review is going to be different. I am going to tell you the things most reviewers skip. You have probably read the spec sheets. You have seen the star ratings, and you are still not sure. That uncertainty is not a you problem. It is a signal that most reviews are written by people who spent 45 minutes with a product, not 45 days. The question you are really asking is not what this product does. The question is whether it is going to actually change anything for you.
That is the question I am going to answer.
I tracked this product through multiple price cycles before sitting down to record this. I compared it against the alternatives that serious buyers in this category actually consider. And I looked at what happens after the purchase, not just before. The Dyson V15s Detect Submarine Wet Dry Vacuum Yellow Nickel earns its place by doing something specific very well. That something starts with brand. Visit the Dyson store. What that means in your day-to-day is that you stop compensating for what your last product got wrong. The second thing worth paying attention to is, about this item, Dyson Deep Cleaning Power now washes hard floors. All in one machine. Advanced Dyson vacuum technology provides 100% more power and up to 60 minutes of runtime. 2 fluffy optic cleaner head reveals 2 times more hidden dust on hard floors. 3 digital motor bar cleaner head deep cleans all floor types and detangles hair. Submarine cleaner head washes hard floors and removes the wet and dry debris simultaneously. The Submarine cleaner head's motorized wet roller picks up liquids, debris, and tough stains, which are continuously extracted from the roller with each rotation. Washes with clean water from start to finish. Compatible with gentle common floor detergents when used in accordance with usage guidance. The Submarine cleaner head covers over 1000 square feet with the 300 milliliters water tank. The full-width brush bar cleans edge to edge, maneuvers easily around obstacles, and reaches low under furniture. While dry vacuuming, the Dyson V15s Detect intelligently adapts suction based on debris and floor type detected. LCD screen shows total picked up particles on screen as you clean. 4 displays power mode, maintenance alerts, and remaining runtime. Converts to a handheld vacuum for cleaning up high, down low, and everywhere in between, even your car. Comes with 8 Dyson engineered accessories. The innovative hair screw tool picks up long hair and pet hair from surfaces without tangles. Advanced whole machine filtration tracks 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 micron. 6 expels cleaner air, made from strong materials selected for their durability and lightweight properties. With a 2-year warranty and lifetime Dyson support. Show more, see more product details, not in a test environment. In the situations where you actually need it to perform. That difference shows up in ways that are hard to quantify on a spec sheet. The third element is the Dyson V15s Detect Submarine is engineered with the power, intelligence, versatility, and runtime to deep clean your whole home. Now with 3 cleaner heads for all-in-one cleaning. The Submarine cleaner head washes hard floors and removes wet and dry debris simultaneously. The fluffy Optictum cleaner head reveals invisible dust on hard floors. The detangling digital Notarbartum cleaner head deep cleans carpets and hard floors without tangles and adapts suction power to floor type. A piezo sensor intelligently optimizes power and runtime based on the debris picked up, reporting it all on the LCD screen. The versatile cordless format transforms into a handheld vacuum with 1 click, so you can clean up high, down low, and everywhere in between. Comes with a 2-year warranty and lifetime Dyson support. Compared to the Dyson V8 TM, actual runtime will vary based on power mode, dust level, floor type, and/or attachments used. Compared to the original Dyson Laser Slim Fluffitum cleaner head, 4 accuracy may vary. Best accuracy in auto mode. Auto ramp feature in auto mode only. If you decide to use detergent, please choose gentle, common household detergents and avoid using bleach. If you've ever replaced something ahead of schedule because it stopped holding up, you already understand why this matters more than any single feature. The feedback pattern on this model is unusual in one specific way. Buyers who come in skeptical end up leaving the same reviews as the people who were already excited. That kind of convergence across different buyer types is not something you see often. It tells you something real about consistency of experience. There's one limitation I want you to know before you decide. Product information, additional details. Other special features of the product bagless. Illumination technology. Up to 60 minutes of runtime. 2. Washes hard floors, filter type HEPA. Filter surface recommendation, hard floor capacity 0.77. Liters recommended uses for product: carpet, hard floor, hardwood, tile floor, rug, bare floor. Color, yellow nickel. Noise level 75 decibels. Motor horsepower 1.62 horsepower. Style name V15s. Detect submarine. Number of speeds 3. Portable, yes. Number of power levels 2. Indoor, outdoor. Usage: indoor power. Source power, source battery. Powered as product: cordless. Yes. Measurements: item weight 2.74 kilograms. Item dimensions: LX, WX, H10.6, LX10, WX 49.1. H. Controls: controller type, push button control. Method: touch feedback. Would you like to tell us about a lower price? Dyson V15. Not everyone will weigh that the same way, and I understand that. If that specific thing is a deal breaker for your situation, I respect that completely. But for the majority of buyers who are looking at this product, the overall trade-off still lands clearly on the right side. Pricing on this model has not been stable. I have watched it move enough times that I would not trust any number I write here today. The figure you see right now is not what I saw a month ago. And it is probably not what you will see in another month. Sometimes that movement is upward. Sometimes it is a significant discount. The only way to know which side you are on right now is to check the live link. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below so you can check if the current discount is still live.